Hey everybody, happy Earth Day. Rom from Kid Museum here again to tackle another Make It Challenge. All this week we're doing Make It Challenges about the environment to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Today's Make It Challenge is solar ovens. What's a solar oven? Well, a solar oven is really any sort of contraption that you can make that will capture the heat of the sun and cook some food. We're not looking to bake a pizza here. We're not going to get up to 425 degrees or even hotter or something like that, but maybe make s'mores, maybe make a grilled cheese sandwich. I don't know. We'll see what we can do. All right, so let's get started and take a look at our materials. Today we've got a good sized cardboard box. It's about 16 by 16, something like that. The size of the box isn't super important. Black construction paper. Another piece of cardboard if I need it. A piece of plastic. This came from a Ziploc bag that was kind of mangled up, so I couldn't really use it as a Ziploc bag anymore. But you can use saran wrap if you have that around the house. That'll probably work pretty good. Any kind of clear plastic that's food safe. And aluminum foil. Some tape, duct and masking as usual. My trusty old razor knife. Remember, if you're using sharp stuff, ask for permission first. Be safe. We've got measuring tools as usual. And that's about it. This is a pretty simple build. So I'm going to go ahead and just build the thing. I've seen people line the inside of their solar ovens with aluminum foil to get the UV rays to bounce around and heat things up that way. I've also seen people line the inside of their solar ovens with something black or paint it black. I'm going to try black construction paper today and see how that works out. Now, this black construction paper is intended to absorb the heat, and then it'll radiate out and hopefully heat up whatever it is we're trying to cook. And then the aluminum foil is going to be the reflective surface that will reflect the sun out. I'm going to try and rig something up so that the sun will reflect off of the lid and hit the front edge of my oven. So instead of wrapping that with this front inside edge with black construction paper, I'm going to use aluminum foil. More or less, I'm kind of winging it. Remember, shiny side out. save this for something else. Theoretically, this would work, but I'm going to add some more reflective panels to the sides, see if we can get more sunlight deeper into the box, and then we'll take it outside and try and cook something. So I just thought of something. I can make a modification to this solar oven that I think will make it work better. Remember, when you're making stuff, don't be afraid to change your plan midway through your build. It happens all the time, all right? Because you're thinking about what you're doing while you're doing it, and then you may come up with a brilliant idea. You know, embrace that idea. See if it works. I'm gonna cut this out, pop it up, and put some aluminum foil on that too. See if it helps. The food goes in there. And we're gonna set this out in the sun. So that's my solar oven. I'm gonna go get, I think I've got some cheese in the fridge. Tomorrow's grocery day, so we'll find out. Maybe a cracker or something. Stick it in there, see if I can get myself a melty cheese cracker, because those are two of my favorite foods. And then I'll come back and tell you how I did. Hey everybody, they let me out of the basement to test out my solar oven. While I was offline, I made a couple of modifications to my solar oven. I noticed that I made a mistake, and I found some more duct tape and tightened things up. The mistake that I made, if you noticed in the original video, I put the dull side, not the shiny side on this. That's just gonna give us less reflection. I found some more duct tape and just kind of buttoned everything up, made everything nice and tight. And now, I am going to take two of my favorite food groups, bread and cheese, and try and make a cheesy cracker in my solar oven, all right? It's already hotter than ambient temperature in there, so I think this is gonna work. I'm gonna come back in about 5 minutes and see how we did. So hey everybody, 5 minutes wasn't even close to enough time, so I'm gonna just let this go, and I think the cheese is gonna melt, and I'll come back and let you know how long it took, and see how it tastes. It's been another hour, and it hasn't melted all that much since then, but I'm gonna open this thing up and give it a shot. So, it's definitely hot. The cracker is definitely hot. The cheese is kind of melty. The great thing about camping food is it always has a lot of extra hungry sauce on it. And good things come to those who wait. So, cheers. Oh my gosh, it's the best sustainably cooked grilled cheese sandwich that I've had ever. Listen, you guys are great. Stay safe. We'll see you next time.